Hello, boys and girls. Am I glad to see you in my kitchen? I am Chef Sofya, and I will be your tour guide. Let's see where the globe will take us. Well, this is super, boys and girls. We just landed in Germany, or as they say, Deutschland in German. So, boys and girls, since we landed in Germany, we will be making strudel, which is perfect for our holiday season. Now let's go and look at the ingredients. Come this way. Okay, boys and girls, my chefs, here are the ingredients for our strudel. I have store-bought puff pastry, and for the filling, we have walnuts, raisins, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. And then we have an egg for the egg wash. Okay, before we continue, let's preheat our oven. Follow me. We're going to turn our oven on at convectional bake at 375. Okay, chefs, this is the time when we will start making our strudel. And as I mentioned before, I love using store-bought, especially Pepperidge Farm dough. Okay, you ready? We're going to roll this out. And by the way, in case the rolling pin gets stuck to your dough, here's a little bit of flour. You're going to rub it, and it will make it all better. Ah, perfect. See the way it works? Pure perfection, wouldn't you say? Now, time to make our filling. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of walnuts, chopped, 2 tablespoons of raisins, tablespoon of sugar. Who doesn't like sugar, right? And a quarter, actually, tablespoon of cinnamon. Spoons are making a lot of noise. Dash of vanilla. And voila, now it's ready to be mixed. Oh, you can only smell this. I love the smell of vanilla. All right, so this is our mixture. So now the mixture will go right in the middle of our dough. That was easy, right? All right. Oh, it looks so good. All right, so this is, now you're going to fold it. And the other one will be overlapped. You're going to fold your ends. There you go. There you go. Now we're going to crack an egg. Make the egg wash. So our egg wash is ready. Now, before I put the egg wash on top of the strudel, we're going to place our strudel on a baking pan. I like to use silicone because it's less messy and you don't have to use foil, and it's cheaper that way. Here's our strudel. All right, so now we're going to use a egg wash. So you can use either a brush or you can use your fingers. I'm going to show you both ways. Now, do you know what the egg wash is for? You're absolutely correct. To make our strudel look absolutely beautiful, golden color. All right, and as I said, I'm going to show you how to use your fingers as well. A little bit messy, but it's okay. Messy is okay when you're baking, when you're in the kitchen. All right, looks beautiful. The next step is we're going to take a little bit of sugar, sprinkle it, just like that. Take a little bit of cinnamon, sprinkle it just like that, and we are done. Now strudel is ready to go into the oven. Okay, let's put our strudel in the oven. All right, let's go and learn about Germany. Follow me. So, boys and girls, while the strudel is being baked in the oven, let's talk about something Chef Sofya loves to talk about. Colors of the flag, the capital, and the landmarks. So, what are the colors of the flag? You can see it. You got it. Black, red, and yellow. By the way, do you know what the word capital means? You're absolutely correct. It stands for the main city in the country. The capital of Germany is, you said it, Berlin. Now, do you know what checkpoint Charlie is? I'll help you with this one. It is a checkpoint between East and West during the Cold War. Have you heard of Brandenburg Gate? It symbolizes peace and the entrance to Berlin. Do you know what the Reichstag building is? It is Germany's parliament building. Okay, boys and girls, I can smell our strudel. Let's go and take a look. Follow me. Come this way. Okay, let's see what our strudel looks like. Oh my goodness, this looks scrumptious. Okay, chefs, before we take a bite of our strudel, I have someone special you will love meeting.
Hi everyone, I'm Caleb and I'm the video director for Chef Sofya's show. Normally I manage the cameras, the people, the lights to make sure that everything is perfect for you to watch at home. But today I'm excited to try the strudel with Chef Sofya.
All right, the moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
All right.
It smells delicious.
Grab a bite.
All right.
You
Shall
ready?
we cheers?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Delicious.
Amazing.
Somehow it's even better than it smells.
So can you guess what the special ingredient is? It has a different texture than anything else.
Yeah, there was something crunchy. I think it might be walnuts.
You got it.
Delicious.
Thank you. Well, thank you so much for joining me.
Yes, thank you for
and now
having
we'll
me.
see you behind the scenes.
Absolutely. Bye and happy holidays.
Okay, boys and girls. Unfortunately, our show has come to the end. But before we go, I would like to leave you with a special quote from Mr. Rogers. You make each day a special day. You know how by just your being you. Join us next time and we will see where the globe will take us. Goodbye, or as we say in German, Auf Wiedersehen.